Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove an emoji on your video clip or your project by Capcut application. So the first thing you have to do now, open your Capcut application and open the project that containing the emoji that you want to remove. So here is my video clip of my project that containing the emoji, and let's try to remove. If you can see, there is no sections that we can choose to remove the emoji here. So before doing that, we need to make these emoji sections appear on the screen. To do that, you just need to go click the text, and whenever you click the text, you will see the emoji section should start to appear right here. And then to remove it, you just need to go click the sections, and you will be activate several buttons over this emoji. You can just right away click this X or go click delete down here, and the emoji will be removed from the video clip. So that's the way how to remove a video clip on Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.